I love makeup, but there are days I just want to go barefaced and let my skin breathe, right? And that is when we reach out for those tinted moisturizers. Hey beauties, my name is Rika and I am a beauty and lifestyle journalist at Beauty Insider. Now, tinted moisturizers nurtures the skin. It gives a flattering hint of color while protecting your skin against those harsh, UV rays. So I have compiled only the best tinted moisturizers that you can get in Singapore in this very video. The first tinted moisturizer, which you can easily find at Inside a Mall, would be the JE Skin and Cosmetics Aqua UV83. It glides on smoothly on dry skin while providing moisture to the skin. The SPF 25 in this one is enough to keep you protected from UVA while you go for a quick run for errands. A tinted moisturizer that doubles up as a tone-up cream and a sun protector? I'm living for it, okay? This next tinted moisturizer is very promising, and it is none other than the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tint Cream. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin E boost your skin's hydration levels up for 12 hours. Since dry skin is often damaged, it also benefits from healing ingredients like colloidal oatmeal and allantoin. With the regular usage, you'll notice that your skin will turn less red and less inflamed. Not only that, you can also consider the Glossier Perfect Skin Tint. Beauty editors love how these tinted moisturizers even out skin tones while still letting your skin texture show through. Honestly, it looks like you're not even wearing makeup and your skin just looks naturally flawless. And if you ask me, this is the current trending makeup brand that has been going around lately. In addition to that, try the Clarins Hydraquench Tinted Moisturizer. This is one of the best tinted moisturizers for very dry and flaky skin. It contains hyaluronic acid, which traps moisture and keeps your skin soft and plump. There's like this special pigments in this moisturizer, which gives your skin this instant healthy glow. Another awesome tinted moisturizer that you can consider would be the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. It gives more coverage than most tinted moisturizers and make your skin look silky, smooth, and even toned. Watch out for their new tinted moisturizer, which also increased sun protection to SPF 30. Now it has a wider shade range that includes olive skin tones and added hydrating ingredients like macadamia and cocoa oils. You can even use it to hide dark circles too. Besides that, the Bobbi Brown Extra Tinted Moisturizing Balm SPF 25 is pretty good too. The rich balm texture keeps your skin moist and supple, while the unique agarelline peptide complex increases collagen and strengthens your moisture barrier. It melts into your skin and instantly makes it softer and look healthier. This is honestly the best tinted moisturizer for dry and dull skin. Moving on with our list, there's also the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer. It's oil-free and non-comedogenic, and its creamier formula gives more coverage than most tinted moisturizer. It can cancel out redness and hide light acne marks. Don't worry, it's not sticky at all. Last but not least, I would highly recommend the Maybelline Dream Pure BB. This is one of the most popular drugstore tinted moisturizer for oily and acne-prone skin. It has 2% salicylic acid, which helps fight breakouts and clarify your skin. It has enough coverage to help hide blemishes and even make your pores look smaller. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos should we make next. I would love to know. Sign up at Inside a Mall right now so that you get to discover, shop, and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!